Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Shannon and I love rocks and gemstones, and I love tumbling rocks and gemstones. And in this latest unboxing video, I continue to answer the question, where do you buy your rough rocks for tumbling? And this video, I will be showing you a shipment that I received from the Gem Shop. And it is thegemshop.com. These unboxing videos are not sponsored in any way. This is just purely educational for you, to show you where I make my purchases. And this is a first-time purchase through the Gem Shops. Recently, I've been on the lookout for unusual gemstones or ones that I don't already have in my rough rock stash, and the Gem Shop had some things I was looking for. They also have a wholesale account option if you have a business and you can apply for a wholesale account. However, their prices are super reasonable even without a wholesale account, like really reasonable. So, this is the box. This is about 25 pounds of rocks, I think 20 or 25. I forget how much I ordered, but it's a big box. Anyway, thank you to viewer suggestion that I elevate my box so I don't have to scrunch forward a lot to dig the rocks out of the box. So thank you for that. So let's get opening. As you can see, the shipment was really nice. This looks flawless. It's packed really well. There's a ton of tape on here. And the cost of shipping for the Gem Shop is on par with all the other rough rock stores out there. It's a little over $1 a pound if you choose the least expensive option. Okay, there we go. It's open. And yeah, packed really nicely. All right. We've got our usual stash of newspaper here. Okay, so these are packed really nicely and they're labeled really well. So this is my citrine. Now it's in a paper bag, so I can't actually see the samples that they sent me, but this is citrine. For those who have been watching my weekly Rock Tumbling Weekly video, you know that recently I had a not so great tumble of citrine. Although I did eventually get it to work, it just wasn't very smooth. And I got some more citrine so that I can try to do it again and have a more clean and effective tumble. Then I got sunstone. Sunstone, see, they've labeled it really nice, which I've been looking for a while. There is another vendor that I got sunstone from, but they sent it to me in one big chunk, and the chunk is so pretty I don't want to break it up. So that chunk is staying intact, and I got some in smaller pieces for tumbling. Okay, I got red aventurine. Also, for those who watch my videos, you know that I enjoy tumbling aventurine because it comes in lots and lots of colors, and I hadn't run across red before. So that's my batch there. Bird's Eye Rhyolite. Oh, and this feels like it's in one chunk. This feels like one I'm gonna have to break up, but that's okay. And I don't have any rhyolite in my rough rock stash, so I figured I'd give it a try. It looked really pretty. It's got these spots on it, and I'm pretty partial to spotted gemstones. And let's see. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one that's uncommon. It's Norina Jasper. And I hadn't seen any Norina Jasper rough anywhere else. and I definitely wanted to get my hands on it because Norina jasper is white and red and yellow, kind of like mookaite, but it's got a different patterning on it that makes it really pretty. So if you haven't seen Norina jasper, Google that and look at the images. They're really pretty. So that's 20 pounds of rocks so far, and my last one is mahogany obsidian. I've been collecting a lot of different obsidians lately, and mahogany was on my list. I finally found it. Then it also feels like it's in one big chunk as well. But yeah, these are packed really nicely individually, like my whole 4-pound order was packed in one little bag, all nice and neat. Like, there are no little rock debris or chunkies left in this box, which is a problem I had with one of the ones that I had before. But yeah, so thegemshop.com. So far, I recommend them. Really reasonable prices. Shipping that's on par with all of the other vendors, and they pack everything up really nicely. So there you go. So thank you very much for joining me in this unboxing today. And if you're interested in rock tumbling, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I post a lot of rock tumbling videos and tutorials and unboxing videos. And if you're brand new to tumbling, you'll get to see some of my tips and tricks. And if you're experienced in rock tumbling, then you get to see a wide variety of gemstones that I tumble. So thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon.